God did.
Since I've been out here.
Ever.
It's a family affair. PTT season finale. Jalen's out here doing a bottle flip for the last 5 minutes. I don't know why, but that's all right. He's a kid. He just had his first session. We brought him out on the R3. Of course, it's scary to him. Of course, it's intimidating, but he did all right. We're gonna go out on the R3 a little more before we break him out onto the R6. Oh, okay. Yeah, people go off and your bike is down till lunch. First session. Warm up of the day. We didn't even do anything really. I was just going to Jalen's pace. Some tires are already looking nice. But yeah, we're having a good time, man. PTT season finale, Thunder Hill. We are rolling counterclockwise on the eastern segment of this tracks facility. Look at that, y'all. I'm out here on the track with my little boy. Overtake, Jay. Good deal. He is not slowing down. Damn. This kid is wild. He trusts his equipment. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's gonna finish up our day. We're gonna leave a little on the table for these last 2 sessions. Jalen was confident enough. He didn't want me babysitting him. He didn't jump on the R6, but he was doing a lot on the R3. Got in a few battles. E came out here. He did E things. That was amazing. Ethan, he did, look at that. Look at that. It was a great day, man. Really happy everybody came. My pops came and hung. Nicole and my wife are here. We came, we had fun, a lot of good riding. Good experiences. You good? Everything's good? All right. So, yeah, we were good to go. Really great time. We did great, man. Everybody did great. You got your shit loaded up. You ready to roll to the house, huh? We did it, man. Came, saw, and heading home. So now I gotta load all the bikes up again. That's a catastrophe in itself, but really great time. So we're gonna load up and we out.